Hare Krishna! Friends, have you noticed when a child trips and falls, it never gets badly hurt? And have you wondered why? Unlike us, if we trip and fall, we are badly hurt and we are injured. Parents are really scared when the child falls down, but the elders in the family just caution us by saying that don't bother because Bhumi Mata is there to protect the child as and when the child falls. The elders are right, and there is a spiritual story behind this. The story revolves around Bhakt Prahlad and his cruel father Hiranyakashipu. Prahlad was in his mother's womb. They were at Narad Muni's ashram, and very often Prahlad from his mother's womb could hear the chant of Narayana, 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 Narayana from Narad Muni's mouth. And he understood that Lord Narayana is the protector and he is the only one who could protect him from all miseries. From as a child, Prahlad became the ardent devotee of Lord Vishnu because of Narad Muni. Prahlad's dad Hiranyakashipu was very upset with him because he was a bhakt of Lord Narayana and he wanted to punish him so that he will stop all this and he will chant the name of Hiranyakashipu and not Narayana. Hiranyakashipu was not like other dads. He was very cruel to his own son Prahlad. One day he was so upset with Prahlad that he took him to a cliff and he pushed him. Instead of getting hurt, something magical happened to Prahlad. Goddesses Bhumi Devi cushioned his fall because he was the ardent devotee of Narayana who was her husband. Prahlad fell from the cliff onto a bed of cushioned soft grass. Like the way Bhumi Mata protected Prahlad, the same way she also protects all the children from injuries as and when they fall. The next question arises that till when does Bhumi Devi protect the children? Bhumi Devi protects each and every child because the child is free from ego, and when the child develops this quality of ego, the supreme quality where the child feels that he can walk on his own, and that Bhumi Devi takes a backseat and she does not protect the child the way she used to do when the child was free from ego. Goddesses Bhumi Devi then creates a distance between the child and her. The moral of the story is, like Bhakt Prahlad, let's also keep a distance between us and ego. It's only then Lord Narayana, Goddesses Lakshmi Devi, Goddesses Bhumi Devi will protect us and keep us all safe. Hare Krishna!